Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fast forward reels. So let's get right into it. Now, what you can do if you want to speed up reels, if you're creating a reel, before you make it or before you upload it, you can set the length, of course, and you can set the speed right below it. You can set it to 2 times or 3 times if you want to, but this feature is only available once you're creating reels and for reels that you post yourself. For other reels, for example, if I go into my reels and let me find a reel that will fit this tutorial, and for some reason it's just showing me these nature reels. Let me just find one that has a reel playback bar, and for some reason it doesn't have it. So okay, this one does. As you can see at the bottom, you have this white line that's going through. And if you want to fast forward without speeding it up, you can just tap on it and you can drag it to anywhere that you want and drag it to any point that you wish to fast forward to. Now, this won't always work perfectly if you tap on certain areas. As you can see, I'm tapping all the way here to the right and it's rolling it back to this one point. It's simply how Reels works for some odd reason, but it is what it is, and that's pretty much the only option you have. If you want to speed up Reels, what you're going to need to do is either download them or screen record them and then speed them up with your gallery or within your gallery, or you can use third-party software to speed it up, or if you have any third-party apps which will help you add that feature to Instagram, you might also be able to use them. However, I'm not going to vouch for their safety, so I'm not sure if they're secure or not. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all you can do through Instagram itself. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.